Hi students, physics, unit 1 electrostatics. Now we will learn about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. This is a very important 2 mark question. And another question is important aspects of Coulomb's law. This is 3 mark or 5 mark question. 3 mark or 5 mark question. Very important question. In the year 1786, this is not necessary, but do you know that one? Coulombs reduced the expression for the force between two stationary points, charged in vacuum or free space. Free space means empty place. This is called without air. Without air. Now consider 2-point charges. See the diagram. 2-point charges Q1 and Q2. This is stationary. Okay, and the rest in vacuum, and separated by a distance of r. Separated by a distance of r, small r. Now, according to Coulomb, the force on the point charge Q2 exerted by another point charge Q1 is. The equation is F21 vectors equal to K into Q1 Q2 divided by R square into R12 cap, where R12 cap is the unit vector directed from charge Q1 to charge Q2, and K is the proportionality constant. K is the proportionality constant. This is only for introduction for the Coulomb's law. The definition of Coulomb's law given below. The important aspects of Coulomb's law. This is the point 1 is the definition of Coulomb's law. Point 1 is the definition of Coulomb's law. You write only this one. The definition of Coulomb's law state that the electrostatic force, this is called force, this electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the 2-point charges. Product of magnitude of the 2-point charges means Q1 into Q2. This is called magnitude of product of 2-point charges, Q1 and Q2, and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the 2-point charges. Square of the distance between the 2-point charges. This is definition of Coulomb's law. Once again, Coulomb's law state that the electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the 2-point charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the 2-point charges. This is definition of point charges. Thank you, students.